Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to reset your password on Bershka app. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the App Store and download the Bershka application. Now guys, if you already have it, of course you do not have to do it, but then you just need to go and create your own account. But guys, if you're struggling with both of these things and you do not know how to do them, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how-to Bershka videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the Bershka application where we have the home screen first, where you can see some collections. So you can see some new collections. As you can see, we have some promotions, stuff about shoes, dresses. So basically whatever you want is here. Then we have the search bar where you can go and type anything that you want to choose from. So you can go and type any shoes, trousers, whatever you want to buy and find it. You can find it here. We have the main menu and in the main menu you have the women or the men. So you can go and choose from those. You can choose from all these collections. So clothes, shoes, new accessories, customization, whatever your mind wants. Here we have your basket, of course. When you put something, when you want something, it will appear here. It will be in the basket, which is empty for me at the moment, but be sure when you have something, it will be here. And at the end, we have everything about your account. So inbox, something of help, contact settings, logout options, and personal information. But now guys, let's see how to reset your password on the Bershka application. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. So basically, you need to guys click on your personal details and addresses here. When you're there, you just need to click on change password, and here you need to put your old password, new password, and just click update, and that's basically how to do it. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.